Hello guys, welcome to this new class. Today we're going to talk about future forms. In this session, we are going to know the differences between going to and present continuous because there are many ways of expressing the future. Okay, we can use will also to express the future. Some cases with the present simple, the future continuous, and the future perfect. But today we are going just to know about the going to and present continuous. Let's going to start with going to. We use going to express the future when we intend to do something or have decided to do something but did not arrange it. It is just an intention. We also use going to make predictions based on present evidence. So let's go into see some examples about that. I'm going to the first example, I'm going to learn to drive. So that is my plan. That is an intention that I have. This is what I have planned. I have decided and I want to do it. Or so we have the other example. Look at the sky. It is going to rain. That is a prediction based on an evidence that I have because I'm showing that the sky, that the clouds are dark. I'm referring to the evidence and making a prediction, okay? Let's go into talk about the structure, about the be going to. Remember, the be going to we use it with the auxiliary, the verb to be. That's the reason why be going to. So with the verb to be is in the present form. So if you say I, you say with am. He, she, it with is. We, you, and they with are. That is the auxiliary. And then we're going to say always going to. Be going to. So the verb to be conjugated in present and going to. Then if we're going to use it in the negative form, we say I am not. So we need to add not. Okay? He, she, it is not. Or remember that we can say the contracted form, that is isn't. Isn't. We, you, they are not or aren't. And also we have going to. And remember, the verb is always going to be base form because after to we always have to have the verb in base form. And what happens if we're going to make a question? You know, the verb is going to be at the beginning. So am, is, and are is going to be at the beginning. I, he, she, it, we, you, they is the pronoun, is going to be in the second position, and then the verb. Okay? And for example, am I going to work? Is he going to work? And if we have the WH question is always going to be at the beginning. What is he going to do? What is he going to do? Okay? It's going to talk about the present continuous when talking about future. Because remember that we use the present continuous also to talk about the present when it's happening at the moment of speaking. But in this time, we're going to know another usage of the verb of the tense, the present continuous, that is to talk about the future. So the present continuous is used when we say what we have planned and arranged to do at specific time in the future. There are fixed plans with definite time in place. Examples. I am staying at the Astoria Hotel. I have already booked my stay in this place. Okay? It's a plan. It's a decision that I have taken, but I have taken some actions for that to be completed in the future because I have already booked the room in the hotel. Okay, we are getting married in July. I have already reserved the church, so the reservation for the church to get married is already complete. Okay, so we have actions that we are going to do in the future. That is an arrange when you have an appointment, when you have a book or a reservation. That is an action that you have take in order to accomplish your future plans. So both examples are future arrangements. Another person or organization is involved with definite time or place. Let's go into talk about the structure about the present continuous. You already know it, but let's go into remember when using it in a future. Remember, we use a subject plus the verb to be plus the verb that is always going to be in ing. That is for the affirmatives. I am eating, she is eating, they are eating. In the negative, we say I am not eating. The subject, the verb to be, the not, and the verb in ing. She's not eating. They are not eating. Interrogative, the verb to be at the beginning because remember it's a question. Then the subject, the verb, ing. Am I eating? Is she eating? Are they eating? And remember, when making a short answer, we need to answer with the auxiliary that we're using in the question. If we use the verb to be, we need to answer with the verb to be. No, I'm not. Is she eating? Yes, she is. Are they eating? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't. Finally, this is like a tip that you can have in order to know the difference when to use the be going to and when to use the present continuous. When it's a person plan, we can use the be going to. So when you are the only one in the future plan, the intention is from you, okay, or from that only person that you are talking. For example, she's going to study French next semester. Okay, is it's her plans, and we use the present continuous when we involve other person. For example, someone arranged something with other person. For example, Serena is playing tennis with Lex and Andy next weekend. And remember, when we are going to use the present continuous to talk about the future, we always need to use a future expression because then it's going to get confused. Because remember that with this, we also express the present time, the present that is happening at the moment of speaking. Okay? Well, that is it for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Bye bye.